Hello friends, in this session we shall discuss some basic concepts from arithmetic and pre-algebra. Here we use decimal number system. There are 10 unique symbols in decimal number system from 0 to 9. These are digits. These are also called Hindu Arabic numbers. There is another representation for numbers, that is Roman numerals. They are I, V, X, L, C, etc. I have listed few number sequences. This odd number sequence, this starts with 1, then we go on repeatedly adding 2. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, it goes on like that. Then we have even number sequence which starts with 2 and we go on adding 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, it goes on up to infinity. Infinity is not a number, it just says the sequence doesn't end, it is endless sequence. Then we have another number sequence that starts with 3 and we go on adding 3. So this third number sequence, it represents the multiplication table for number 3. It is easier to remember multiplication tables using these number sequences. For example, here this first number sequence, this is we start with 3 and we go on adding 3. This represents actually the number table, the multiplication table for 3. Like 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 4, 12. That means you add 3 to itself 4 times, you get 12. Then you add 3, you get 15. That means 3 5s are 15. Then this number sequence, it represents the multiplication table for number 7. We have square numbers. Square number means you multiply a number with itself. Take number 2. You multiply 2 with itself, you get 4. Take 3. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 6, 36. So these 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are square numbers. They are produced from another number multiplied with itself. And the number of such dots or stars or any symbol can be arranged in the form of a square. You take 16 dots. You can actually arrange them as 4 rows and 4 columns. There are composite numbers. These are the examples. They are composed of smaller numbers. You take the composite number 10. 10 equal to 2 into 5 or 5 into 2. So 10 is composed of 2 and 5. The number of such dots can be arranged in the form of a rectangle. For example, 10, 2 into 5. You can arrange 10 as 2 rows and 5 columns. Otherwise, 5 rows and 2 columns. So here I have given the figure representation for number 9. I have taken 9 stars and arranged in the form of 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, here I have 2 rows and 5 columns. This is the representation, rectangle representation for the number 10. There is another beautiful concept, prime number. Prime number is divisible by 1 and itself, and they cannot be arranged as rectangles. Okay, you take for example prime number 13. You cannot arrange. You take 13 dots and try to arrange them in the form of a rectangle. It is impossible. Always one dot will be left out. So these are the examples of prime numbers. You take any number, it will always have 1 and itself as the factor. You take 7. Only 1 and 7 can divide this 7. 1 into 7. This 17 is divisible by 1 and itself. So there is another concept called exponent. Here I have written exponents. 2, 3, 4, 5 are exponents, and these 2, they are the bases. 2 power 5, 2 raised to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 5, they all mean the same. What is 2 to the power of 5? 2 multiplied with itself 5 times. What is 2 to the power of 3? 2 multiplied with itself 3 times. So exponent is nothing but a repeated multiplication. What is multiplication? It is repeated addition. So using this number line concept, this is another new concept. Using this number line concept, we can understand all the basic concepts of arithmetic. Like we can understand 4 arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here I have arranged the positive numbers and the negative numbers and 0. And these distances are same. The distance between 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3 or minus 2 and minus 1. These distances are same. What is integers? They contain the natural numbers or counting numbers from 1 to infinity. And integers also contain 0. And they are also composed of negative numbers. So how do we perform addition? You take for example 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. In the number line, you start with 1, then you go on to the right 3 spaces. So 1 plus 3 is 4. You start with 1, then you go on 3 spaces to the right, that is 1 plus 3. And what is subtraction? Here you go down to the left, for example 3 minus 1. You start with 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. You start with 3, you go 1 space to the left, so 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Then 0, this represents nothingness. There is another concept called empty set that also represents nothingness, that we will discuss later. Then infinity, it is not a number, it just means the sequence is endless, the numbers go on forever. Okay, and multiplication and division can also be demonstrated on the number line, and fractions also can be demonstrated on the number line. What is a fraction? You take 5 divided by 2. What is 5 divided by 2? It is 2.5. 2 cannot divide 5 with the remainder 0. If you divide 5 by 2, the quotient will be 2 and the remainder will be 1. 2 into 2 equal to 4, and there is a remainder left out 1. Or if you need an exact result, then it is 2.5 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. So these fractions are called rational numbers or ratio. They have numerator and denominator. 5 by 2, 5 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. There are different types of number systems. Natural number system, it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on. Then integers, you have whole numbers also, where you have natural numbers and 0 added to it. In integers you have whole numbers and all the negative numbers. In rational numbers you have fractions, and real numbers you have both rational and irrational. We shall discuss about irrational numbers later. Thank you.